And like holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. This is the big news of link coin. What's going on in this time in the chain link? In this video, I will show you, my friends. Just keep watch this video for more details and updates videos, my friends. And also, please subscribe ABS Tech channel for updates videos, my friends. In this video, we are going to discuss the Chainlink latest update. First of all, we talk about the price of the Chainlink. Furthermore, we talk about the price changes. Is the price going to increase? Is the price going to decrease? Let me show you, my friends. So the currently latest price of the Chainlink is 18.96 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the Chainlink. Furthermore, if we talk about the price changes of the Chainlink, so the last 1 hour price change is negative, last 1 day price change is positive, and last 1 week price change is again negative. And these all changes only the last one day price change is positive. So this means that yesterday the Chainlink start pump. Yesterday the price going to increase, but now if unfortunately if we look the current situation again, so now in the last 60 minutes the price of the chaining is again going to decrease. At this time the price is again going to decrease, and you can see here that is the last 1 day price chart of the chaining. As I told you, my friends, in the last 1 day the chaining start pump. From this price chart everyone can understand it, the price start pump, but now I think from the last 2 hours the price of chaining is going down. You can see here, my friends, just look on the chart, that's clear. So at this time my prediction is that maybe, my friends, there is a possibility, there is a chances to the price faster for some next time, for few hours, for 2-3 hours, and after these falls, after 2-3 hours falls, maybe the price will again pump, my friends. Maybe the price will again pump, but you know what, as I told you, my friends, in my previous video, that the Chainlink will take a huge pump in the last of June. So my prediction is positive about Chainlink. Anyways, what do you think about Chainlink? How do you feel today about Chainlink? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. Thanks for watching this video, my friends.